Welcome to Jesse's Flying, and in this video we talk about the brand new Apple hardware with the M1 chip and the macOS Big Sur 11.3. So Apple has presented a bunch of new hardware, the new iPad Pro and the new iMac, all within brand new M1 silicon from Apple. But all those hardware has a price tag, right? And that might be your opportunity to get maybe the last generation hardware from Apple very cheap on eBay or on Craigslist. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can maybe get the Mac Pro from 2010 to 12 updated to run easily macOS Big Sur. By the way, Apple has released the release candidates of macOS Big Sur 11.3 and iOS 14.5. So that means they are near final, and as soon as Apple will release those versions to the public, I'm gonna update my tutorial how to install macOS Big Sur on such unsupported devices.